Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nail Art, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this super cute, super simple Easter bunny nail design, so let's begin. As you can see, this is a gel design, so I've started out by prepping my nails. And the first step is applying the base coat. After the base coat, I'm applying the pink French tip color. After that's cured, I'm beginning with the French tips. And now for the design, I'm starting off with the head of the bunny. And here I am just cleaning that up. And after that, I'm adding the ears. And this is where I decided that the head needed to be a little bit wider. As for the details, I'm starting off with the pink in the ears. Now for the eyes. And finally the nose. As a final touch, I'm just adding a heart to my middle fingernail. Lastly, I'm adding the top coat. Well, that is all guys. Thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, subscribe. Also leave a like if you like this video and comment down below any designs you want to see me do in the future. Thanks. Bye.